What happens if you chew green cardamom daily? First, it acts as a powerful mouth detox, killing harmful bacteria that even brushing misses. Next, it relaxes your blood vessels. This naturally drops high blood pressure and improves circulation. Then, it flushes your kidneys. It acts as a diuretic, removing excess water and toxins from your urinary tract. Finally, it calms acid reflux. It soothes the stomach lining, stopping burning sensations immediately. More than just a spice, it's medicine. Subscribe for more.